If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. If you enjoy cryptocurrency related content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. That way the YouTube algorithm will notify you whenever I upload new content. So this is probably going to be a little bit of a shorter video, a little bit more rambly, but this is a very important tweet, okay? I'm going to show it to you in a second. This is a very important tweet that really is a slap in the face to all the XRP haters out there. And if you're a little bit worried, if you're not an XRP hater, but you're a little bit worried about XRP, about prices, this should reassure you about the positive outlook on XRP. All right, I'm going to show you the tweet now, and I'm going to read it to you. Look at XRP this way. XRP yearly lows, right? So 2013, $0.002. 2014, 0.0036, 2015, 0.0042, 2016, 0.0051, 2017, 0.0061, 2018, 0.25, and 2019. We don't know yet. Up at least 14% each year if you are still in the game. Hashtag XRP, hashtag crypto, hashtag HODL. So guys, the important thing to take away from this, a lot of people look at the top. A lot of people look at the all-time high of each year. Where'd it hit? But that's kind of missing the point, because there's going to be speculation, there's going to be small bubbles, there's going to be overvaluation, there's going to be undervaluation, right? There's going to be all that. But what you really want to look at is where the low is. If the yearly low is going up, it doesn't matter where the yearly high is, okay? And this is true not just for XRP, all right? This is true for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, for any of your major cryptocurrencies out there, even when you're looking at non-crypto assets, if you're looking at stocks, if you're looking at bonds, if you're looking at whatever. If the yearly lows are continually going up, that is long-term bullishness. You take this tweet and into account, you look at all the adoption that XRP is having, and honestly, things look fairly bright. And yes, it might take a couple years to things to really take off, but who cares? This is going to make a lot of people very wealthy. If you're invested in XRP, you have the potential, again, this is not financial advice, just my opinion, you have the potential to become very wealthy, all right? Very important tweet. This is from XRPQ and @Photograph on Twitter. We're going to go to the markets today. Market's still under $300 billion market cap level. I said yesterday I wanted us to get above it. We haven't, so I'm a little bit worried about that, about total market cap of the whole crypto market, but not too worried. We're pretty close to it. I'm hoping tomorrow we bounce back above the $300 billion market cap level. Most of your major coins are down 1 to 2%. Not a huge red day, but just kind of sideways on the day, a little bit downward. Biggest gainer today is BitUSD, up 103.70%, followed by ABBC coin up 50%, roughly 48.34% technically. Bitcoin dominance is at 68.6%. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, once again, hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I'll catch you next time. Keep on hodling and have a great week. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk.